अब इस वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे व्हाट इज mixin and how do you use it. A mixin in JavaScript is a way to add visual functionality to classes. Instead of using inheritance where one class extends another, mixin allow you to compose a class with methods and properties from other objects. This can be particularly useful for sharing behavior across multiple classes without creating a complex inheritance hierarchy. Example समझिए. Let's say you have some common functionality that you want to share across multiple classes. For example, login functionality. Define a mixin with some common functionality. Let login mixin log message console.log message. Define a class that will use the mixin. Class user constructor name यहाँ constructor में पैरामीटर को असाइन कर लिया. Copy the mixin method to the user class prototype. Object.assign user.prototype logging mixin. Let user equal to new user alias user.log hello world output hello world. In the example, mixin definition, the logging mixin object is defined within the log method. Okay. Class definition, the user class is defined. Mixin application, the object.assign methods copy the method from the logging mixin to the user class prototype. Uses an instance of the user class is created and log method from the mixin is used. Benefits of mixin reusability. Mixin allows you to reuse code across multiple classes. Composition over intent. Mixin support the composition approach where you build class by combining multiple behavior, avoiding the complexity of deep inheritance hierarchy. Flexibility. They offer flexibility as you can selectively apply mixin to class as needed. Mixin are particularly useful in large code bases where different classes need to share some common behavior without being directly related. This is all about mixin. Next video we will learn about how do you create and use getter and setter. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.